Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Large Cat Litter Box with high sides, open top. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $16.78, making it ideal for pet owners who want a simple yet effective solution without breaking the bank. One of its standout features is the high-sided design, which helps contain litter scatter and keeps your floors clean. The open top and lowered front make it easy for cats, especially older or larger ones, to enter and exit comfortably. The build quality is decent, with BPA-free recyclable plastic that offers durability for everyday use. It also includes a handy scoop that can be stored on the litter box itself for convenience. However, the uncovered design means less odor control compared to enclosed boxes, so this might not be the best choice if you're particularly sensitive to smells. On the plus side, the open design makes it easy to monitor your cat's health and clean up after them. Overall, this litter box is a great option for anyone looking for practicality on a budget. It's best suited for single cat households or cats that don't kick litter excessively. The key downside is the lack of advanced features like odor control or privacy, but for the price, it's hard to complain. If simplicity and affordability are your priorities, this one's worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Box by Petmate. Priced at $19.95, this box stands out for its patented lift-to-sift technology, which eliminates the need for manual scooping. If you're tired of digging through litter, this feature will save you time and effort. The microban protection is another highlight. It inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria, making this one of the better options for odor control. The design itself is simple but functional, with a large size that accommodates cats of various breeds and sizes. Made with recycled plastic, this product is eco-friendly and lightweight for easy handling. However, the materials, while durable enough for everyday use, don't offer the premium feel of higher-end boxes. It's versatile in terms of litter compatibility, performing well with pine, crystal, pellets, and clumping litter. This litter box is an excellent choice for pet owners who want to streamline their cleaning routine. Its sifting mechanism is especially beneficial for households with 1 or 2 cats. The downside? It's not as effective at containing litter scatter, and the open design means limited privacy for your feline friend. But for its price and efficiency, it's a solid contender in the mid-range category. At number 3, we have the Iris USA 2-pack large cat litter boxes with scatter shield. Priced at $29.99, this set offers excellent value for multi-cat households. The tall walls of the scatter shield prevent litter and spray from escaping, making cleanup easier and reducing waste. The open-top design allows for quick accessibility, while still providing a level of privacy similar to hooded boxes. Built from durable plastic, these litter boxes are made in the USA, reflecting a focus on quality. Each box measures 19 by 15 by 11.75 inches, providing ample space for cats of various sizes. The inclusion of a scoop adds convenience, and the 2-pack format ensures you have a backup or a second box for multiple cats. It's worth noting that the design caters to both single and multi-cat homes, helping minimize conflicts and improve hygiene. While this product excels in practicality and build quality, it lacks advanced odor control features like filters. Additionally, its open design might not suit cats that prefer more privacy. Nonetheless, the Iris litter boxes are a fantastic choice for pet owners seeking a balance between functionality and affordability, especially if you have multiple cats. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Amazon Basics No Mess Hooded Cat Litter Box. This litter box is priced at $42.12 and offers a premium feel without hitting the highest price point. The hooded design features a swinging plastic door, providing your cat with privacy while keeping litter mess contained. It also includes a pre-installed carbon filter for effective odor control, which is a big plus for homes sensitive to smells. The box is made from durable plastic that resists stains and odors, ensuring easy cleaning and a hygienic environment for your pet. It measures 21 by 16 by 15 inches, offering plenty of room for medium to large-sized cats. The enclosed design not only helps maintain cleanliness, but also gives your cat a private space to do their business. While this product excels in privacy and odor control, it's not ideal for cats that dislike enclosed spaces or swinging doors. Additionally, replacement filters for the carbon system are sold separately, which adds to the long-term cost. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Amazon Basics No Mess Hooded Cat Litter Box is a fantastic pick for pet owners seeking a blend of functionality, comfort, and style. Finally, at number 1, we have the enclosed stainless steel cat litter box by Woofigo. This premium litter box is priced at $47.59 and delivers unmatched quality and performance. Made with stainless steel and ABS plastic, this box is built to last. Unlike traditional plastic boxes, the stainless steel pan resists rust, odors, and residue buildup, making it incredibly easy to clean and maintain. The high-sided enclosure prevents litter scatter and urine leakage, keeping your floors spotless. At 23.5 by 15.6 by 13 inches, this XL-size box is perfect for big cats or multi-cat households. The secure buckle connection ensures the enclosure stays firmly attached to the base, while the tracking-proof pedal minimizes litter tracking. It even comes with a stainless steel scoop for added convenience. The design is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any home. The only downside is the price, which is on the higher end of the spectrum. However, given its durability, spaciousness, and superior odor control, it's worth the investment for pet owners seeking the best of the best. If you're tired of replacing litter boxes and dealing with messy cleanups, the Woofigo stainless steel cat litter box is the ultimate solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect litter box for your furry friend. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.